Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Skonkworks coming at you again with another lock picking video. Today we're going to be picking this ABS 3-star dimple lock. Now, I acquired this dimple lock from Kimo on the UK Locksport forums, and I was looking at it and I said, you know, this looks like a really easy pick. I think I'm going to do this one first. As you can see, there's no warding. It looks like a basic pin and pin design. And after about an hour and a half of frustration, I said screw this lock and I moved on to a different one. But now, by sheer luck, I got this lock open and have figured out what is going on with it. It does have a secondary locking mechanism, but we are going to defeat that locking mechanism today. Pick it open and I'll show you how it works. So let's get to it. First of all, tools that I'll be using will be a standard Z-bar, universal flag from Southord, and a 94-pound full-strength neodymium magnet. This is the key. So obviously we do have a magnetic element in here that we have to deal with. Luckily it is only one. It does make picking it kind of a pain. Makes the feedback on your picks different. But I guess you can spin that to Southord's credit, because you can tell this is definitely not your 309 stainless steel. It is a high carbon stainless steel. Okay. Now we're in a false set, which means we can take this damn magnet away. Alright. So we'll go ahead and continue picking inner pins. There we go. Alrighty. Oh shit, there's that magnet again. Okay. Oh, this ought to work. You'll have to forgive me, I am in the process of moving out of my apartment right now, so everything's empty. I don't have any surfaces to work off of. That should do it. Okay, now let's take a close look at this core here. Oh, a little drill resistant ball bearing just popped out. So as you can see, one of these pins does stick up above the shear line, and what that is our magnetic element in pin chamber 4. It has a very weak spring on it and a little bit of magnetic. It's slightly magnetic. As you can see, it's sticking to my my tweezers. Anyway, we'll go ahead and pull that out now. Chamber number 4. Okay, then we've got 1, 2, 3, and 5. Well, you know, it could be. I'll bet that spring is magnetic also. Simply from being in the presence of a magnetic field. Anyway, so all standard bottom pins, with the exception of the magnetic element. I will go up into the Bible. Now the configuration of these is a little bit different than you would see in like a multi-lock. The top pins are not one encapsulated unit. They are two independent units. As you can see here, we have our inner pin with an independent spring and our outer pin with an independent spring. The outer pin is a spool. And the same holds true for the rest of them. I can tell you from gutting this earlier, they are all exactly the same. Serrated outer pin, standard inner pin. Oh, with the exception of number 4, of course. Number 4 is a little bit different. It is only the outer pin, and it is a standard. And pin 5, spool, and standard. Nothing crazy going on inside the Bible. But yeah, here's a close-up of our pins. And thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more lockpicking videos, feel free to like and subscribe. And if you have any feedback, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Thank you. Bye-bye.